come closer. We're going to study further examples in differentiation. Look at the expression on the board. The equation y is equal to 3x squared plus 4x. To differentiate this equation, we're going to apply the rules I gave you in a previous example. Now, the first step here is to differentiate y. When you differentiate y, you have dy over dx. This means we are differentiating y with respect to x. Now, I'm going to differentiate this expression 3x squared plus 4x. I'm going to differentiate it term-wise. What do I mean by term-wise? This is a term. This is also a term. So we're going to differentiate this term first, then this term. Now, applying the method for differentiating an equation in my previous video, I did mention two steps. The first step is to take the power, which is 2, and multiply it by this whole term. So I have 2 times 3x squared, right? Now the second step is to subtract 1 from the power. And that is all for differentiating this first step. So we also apply the same method in differentiating the second term 4x. So I have plus, what's the power of x here? The power of x here is 1. And in mathematics, sometimes we don't write 1 when it is an exponent, because any number to the power of 1, that's a number. Any number times 1 is that's a number. So there's an invisible 1 here. So 1 times this whole expression, 1 times 4x, there's 1 here, as I said. Now, the second step is to subtract 1 from the power. Then we are done differentiating this equation. Let's simplify further. So we have dy over dx is equals to 2 times 3x equals 2 minus 1 is 1. Yes, and there's an invisible 1 here, as I said earlier. We don't write the power 1 in mathematics. We do write, but to show professionalism, we don't write it oftentimes. So I have 1 times 4 is same as what? 4x. 1 minus 1 is 0. Yeah. So dy over dx is equals to 2 times 3x is 6x plus 4. X power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number at all, any number to the power of 0, or any variable to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So x power 0 is equal to 1. So times 1. So I have dy over dx is equals to 6x plus 4. This is my final answer. I hope this is clear. Please do well to like this video, subscribe, and share it. Thank you.